What's going on, guys? Thought I'd make a really short video here about air couplets which attach to air hoses and air chucks. And I don't know if you guys know, these two go together, right? You can see one is a male end and the other is a female, right? I don't want to teach you guys about the birds and the bees because I'm pretty sure you guys already know, but that's besides the point. I'm going to show you how these two work together, okay? Now you can see where this gap is here, that gap, but if you spin this around, it twists, right? And if I try to push it up, it goes nowhere. And that's because this air chuck here isn't inserted into that couplet, which engages this piece here, that notch, which acts as a locking lever for this male end here. So I'm gonna go ahead and push it in really firm. And as you can see, it locked, right? And that's how you know with any of your pneumatic air tools that it's securely attached to that air couplet. And we want to unattach it, you press in, and while you're pressing in, slide that locking latch back and disengage it. It's just that simple. Now you may have to put a little bit more elbow grease in it to really get it to lock in place. But once it's in place, it's not going anywhere, right? And again, press in, slide that tab back, and it disengages it. Just a little how-to for beginners who may not know. All right, now I know there are going to be a lot of guys in my comments saying it's so easy a baby could do it, or it's really elementary, but you never know who might need these sorts of small how-tos. So just be kind to your neighbor, guys. Be kind to your neighbors. All right, and that's how you work a air hose couplet with any male or female pneumatic air tools.